Now let's go for the second variation. This is more of the restorative type. From the sitting position, slowly adapt Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now slowly inhale and raise your arms above. Extend your neck back. Maintain with normal breathing. Once again, inhale, and as you exhale, bend forward from the hips and place your palms next to the feet. Bend your neck forward. Maintain with normal breathing. Slowly come up. Rest your palms on the thighs. Now let's go for Ashwasanchalanasana. Stretch your left leg back, balancing on the toes. Place your torso in a slight inclined forward position. Now slowly take your other leg behind, balancing on your toes. Slowly stretch both your hands up and lean forward. Place your palms in a way you are pushing the wall in front. Maintain. Now slowly take your hands behind. Slowly bring your spine erect. Place your feet on the ground. Now take both your hands up. Give a slight back bend. Inhale. And as you exhale, slowly bend forward. Place your palms by the side of your feet. Bend your neck. Maintain with normal breathing. And slowly come up. Rest your palms on your thighs. Now let's do it from the other side. Slowly take your right leg behind, balancing on your toes. Incline your torso slightly forward. Now take the other leg behind, balancing on your toes. Now slowly take your hands behind, your spine erect. Place your feet on the ground. Take both your arms up. Give a slight back bend. Extend your neck back. Inhale. And slowly as you exhale, bring your hands in front in Namaskara Mudra. Rest your palms on your thighs. Close your eyes. Enjoy the beautiful flow of Surya Namaskar. Slowly open your eyes and relax.